In this one, we'll see how we can do atomic commits. By atomic commit, what I mean is that we will be grouping our changes which are related logically. And in this example, we'll be just making few changes in a couple of files, and we'll see how we can, get atomic commit in action. So here you can see I've modified two files, greetworld.txt and then getinit.txt. Now if I go over here and say get status, you can see these two files have been modified. What I'll do is I'll just add one of them. Let's say get add greetworld, and now if I go in and say get status, you can see one has been staged and the other one still remains as modified. Now if I have to commit only this one that I have staged, what I can do is I can make use of get commit with -m option, and let's give this as atomic commit, press enter. So now what I've done is only this one has been kind of added. If I say get log, so you can see all these logs coming up over here that have been made. This one is atomic commit over here, and if you keep on pressing, it will keep on showing all the previously added commits over here. And now we can go in and do the same with the other modified file. So I can go in over here and say get add and add this one as well. So get dash init.txt, and this time we can just go in and say get commit, and again -1. This time we can even go with -am, and here another commit and press enter. So that was how to do atomic commits in Git.